Hello there guys. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create bokeh backgrounds in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers, applying field blur under blur gallery, and mix and matching the blur options to bokeh options to create a vibrant tone of bokeh. So let's get started. So here in our document, I got here an image of a city night portrait. And our goal here is to apply and create a bokeh effect using this background image. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to duplicate our background layer. So to do that, going onto the layers panel, click on our background layer, right click on it and choose duplicate layer. And we're going to name this one as the bokeh background. And then select OK. The next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the field blur. So to do that, select it on the bokeh background, click on that. Now I'm going to the menu bar on top, choose filter. Under filter, choose blur gallery, and then select on field blur. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Going back, now we already applied the field blur in our image, and you can see that there is already blur pin on it. Okay, now we're going to mix and match the field blur to the effects under bokeh, light bokeh, and bokeh colors, and also the light range for you to see the differences on how to create a vibrant bokeh effect. So for the blur, I'm going to adjust this one into 125 pixels. And then for the light bokeh, I'm going to increase this one. Look at the changes. I'm going to bring that up. All right. So you can just play around on the slider in which amount you want for your effect. Okay, so I'm good with 60%. And now for the bokeh colors, now this one looks amazing. When I bring that up, now you can see the natural color of our image are now turning into a bokeh effect. See? Okay, so that's the lights of those city. Okay, and another thing here, if you want to add for a random color in our image, okay, so now that's the time we're gonna go to the light range. So I'm gonna bring this shadow slider to around 150. Look at the changes. Okay, and then for the highlights, I'm also going to decrease the amount. So look at the changes. This is where the magic happens. Okay, now if you have noticed here when I'm trying to decrease this one slowly, now you can see the changes. Now there are additional color on our image. So you can see there green, purple, blue, and that's how amazing it is. Okay, and there you go. And another tip here, if you want to make those bokeh circles a bit bigger, now we can now go back on our field blur and then we may now start adjusting this one by increasing the amount. And when I did that, look at the image. It's starting to make those bokeh circle bit bigger but blurry. See? Okay, so it's up to you. You can just play around with this. Okay, but for now, I'm gonna set this one into around 120. That's what I preferred. All right, and then for the bokeh lights, I also preferred increasing this one to 70%. Okay, so there are. Looks amazing. For the bokeh colors, set this one to 70%, or you can also play the slider if you want to decrease the color. So if I decrease that, you can see that the colors are lessened. See? Okay, but when I bring that up, so you can see the color are bring back. Okay, so I'm gonna set this one to 50. Okay, so for the light range, okay, just what I've said. If you don't want that to be colorful, adjust the highlight slider, increase that one. But if you want to add more color, decrease the highlight slider. See? Okay, so let's say I'm good with this. Now don't forget to select OK. And there you go. Now we already have created a bokeh background. Now I may now show you the before and after. So this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to create bokeh backgrounds in Photoshop.